DJI's ultra lightweight drone got a refresh, and here's why I think it's worth the upgrade. It may look exactly the same, but don't be fooled, there are some major updates to the Mini 2. First off, OcuSync 2.0 transmission, delivering HD video from the drone at a max 10 kilometers or 6.21 miles. The Mini 2 now has 4K video at 30 frames a second at 100 megabits a second. Photos are still 12 megapixels, but now you have the option to shoot RAW. Updated motors provide more power to withstand winds up to 24 miles an hour. The remote gets swapped out with the one that comes with the Mavic Air. Only difference is that it has a cinema mode for those slow and smooth shots. Now, I don't have the Mini, but I do own the Spark, and obviously the Mini 2 is a much better drone. Compared to the Spark, it's way easier to set up and fly. The OcuSync 2.0 worked flawlessly with no dropped or interrupted connections. Having your phone above the remote is a much better flying experience compared to having it mounted at the bottom. I took the Mini 2 as high as I could above the lake, and the motors kept the drone nice and steady. Granted, it wasn't a windy day, but it is confidence inspiring in case you do get a sudden gust of wind. The Mini 2 only has downward obstacle avoidance, which is a bummer, especially for newbie pilots. But with trying to keep it less than 250 grams, it makes sense that they'd have to strip it down. Another letdown, but isn't a deal breaker, it doesn't have a follow me active track option that I know most people like. Something that I noticed while editing this video is that QuickShot clips down res to 1920 by 1080 for some reason. The first gen Mini downsized as well, but to 720, so this would be an upgrade of sorts, but certainly not 4K. If you own the first gen Mini and are sick of the lost connections, then this is worth the upgrade for OcuSync alone. I'll definitely be upgrading to the Mini 2. OcuSync, the remote, and the improved flight times and performance make it a no-brainer for me. The DJI Mini 2 can be purchased in two options. The standard package includes DJI Mini 2, remote controller, and one battery for the retail price of $449 US. The Fly More combo, which includes 3 batteries, charging hub, DJI Mini 2, a carrying case, and remote controller for the price of $599 US.